Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you what communication skill is. Well, communication skills are very important with all and at all places, either you are a doctor, business person, teacher, sailor, or even a buyer. When I was thinking to explain the communication, thoroughly searched, but I couldn't find the origin of a complete word. However, I have found that half part of the communication, that is communicate, has taken from the Latin words, which means preparing and sharing. Well, the second part of this communication is cashion, which could be explained by different meaning. However, I thought why we not consider it as a cation. Cation means as a positive charge. Since I believe that we should all be positive for anything, for any behavior, for communication, if we really want to maintain our relation with other people. Please allow me to tell you that we should not pretend to be a good communicator. Therefore, I must say that it should be a kind of unconscious competence, as if we drive a car reflexively and could be acquired by the trainings. Are you ready to think that shouldn't we listen from the other's ear, display enthusiasm in communication, and feel sitting on both sides of the table? If you are really ready for this, so I strongly advise you to be polite with parents, patients, pets, and plants. Indeed, even be polite with piano and parachute, because if you are angry with them, then be ready for a disaster. Thank you so much.